Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello and welcome to my channel Free Icon Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert image or document file into PDF in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open Play Store and type here PDF Maker and install this application. I have also given a download link of this application into my video description. You can check it out. So after you have installed this application into your mobile phone, open it. Now when you open this application, you will see three options, that is photo to PDF, doc to PDF and history. So to create or convert image file into PDF file, tap on this options, photo to PDF, and tap on select images. You can directly take a photo from the camera also, and you can also select images from your gallery. Select the image from the gallery. After you have selected the images, tap on apply. Now tap on make PDF and click OK. When your image is converted into PDF format, you will see a tick mark. And to view the converted PDF file, tap on open PDF and you will see the PDF format of the images. Like the same way, you can also convert document file into PDF. Go to home page again by tapping on menu and home, and tap on second options, doc to PDF. To select the document file from your mobile storage, select doc file and select the document file and tap on make PDF, tap OK, and when your file is converted into PDF file, you will see open PDF option. So tap on it. So here is the PDF file that you have converted. So this is how you can convert images or a document file into PDF format in Android smartphone. And by default, converted PDF file will be saved under PDF Maker folder in internal storage of your device. From File Manager, go to internal storage, and from the internal storage, go to PDF Maker folder, and inside this folder you will see all the converted PDF file. So I hope you like this video and finding useful for you. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest informations. And thanks for watching my video.